So we move on in the compass bearing. We want to say if I know the bearing of B from A, how do I get the bearing of A from B? Using here, just like we had previously, so the bearing of B from A, the direction of B from A, the bearing of B from A. That means if I want to go to B from A, I am moving southeast. How many degrees southeast? 50 degrees southeast. So it's 50 degrees southeast. However, from B and I want to go back to the north, to A, I would check to see how do I know. I can see that A is northwest of what? Of B. A is northwest of B, but how do I know the angle? To which angle would I turn? So these lines, the north is always parallel to any point, any line of north drawn at any point. So this line is parallel to this line, and this line is also parallel to this line. And from our knowledge of alternate angles, these two lines are parallel, then the angle here and the angle here are the same. So this would also be what? 50 degrees. So the bearing of A from B is 50 degrees northwest. 50 degrees northwest. Let's check to see another one. The bearing of A from B is what? In A, from B, I'm moving what? To which direction? Northeast. And the angle here is made with the north, so my answer is just 58 degrees northeast. However, the direction of B from A is what? Is southwest. So the bearing of B from A is southwest. Now, to how many degrees? Like we said earlier, this is 58. Then my alternate angles, this angle will be alternate to it, which alternate angles are equal. So this is what? 58 degrees. 58 degrees. So this 58 degrees is what? Is southwest. So the bearing of B from A is what? Is 58 degrees southwest. Now let's look at a bearing, so where we have the bearing of A from B. Bearing of A from B, we can see that A is what? Northwest of B. A is northwest of B. Now we cannot go ahead to say what? It is 52 degrees northwest, because this angle is not made with the north. And so we must find this remaining part. And like we did previously, that will be what? 90 minus 52. And that's what? 40. That's what? 38. That's 38 degrees northwest. So the bearing of A from B is 38 degrees northwest, or I say north, 38 degrees west. And now, since this is also an alternate angle, I've gotten this to be 38, then I alternate it, forming a Z. So alternating it, this is 38, then this would also be 38. And so the bearing of B from A, that means I want to go to B from A, is what? B is with what direction to A? Is southeast. Southeast. Then to what angle from the south? Is 38 degrees. So that's how we locate our what? Compass bearing from two different positions. Thank you. Okay, so here are two other diagrams. I want you to write in the comment section the bearing of A from B and the bearing of B from A. Also here number 5, the bearing of A from B and the bearing of B from A. Thank you.